Assalamualaikum. This is Rukaya Jahan. Last four digit of my ID are on 390. At first, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my respected course teacher for giving me the opportunity to present this important topic. Today, I am going to present my topic on wattmeter connection and error due to the wattmeter connection. Wattmeter connection, a wattmeter measurement to power, a wattmeter connection measurement to power that is the divide in a dynamometer type wattmeter. There are current coil, fixed coil, and the carries load current, and the first, secondly, voltage pressure coil moving connected exhausts the supply though a high resistance. For upscale reading, the mark terminal of CC should be connected to the incoming line, and the secondly of the marketed to the PC should be connected into the side in which that CC is connected. The wattmeter connection for reading of the load power, the CC should be carry exactly the load current and the PC should be connected across the load terminal. The secondly, the case of the wattmeter connection is the two case in the picture of case firstly of case A and the secondly case B. The connection case of the practical connection cases in the reality is not be possible to achieve both perfect current and voltage measurement of the same time. Case A, pressure coil connected to point A. In the connection of load current is measured correctly. However, the voltage exceeds the pressure and the coil becomes slightly higher because of the coil voltage drop the current coil. The result is the small voltage error and the B case of press connected of the pressure to point B. In this connection, the load voltage is measured correctly, but the current, though the current coil of the slightly of the hair because it also includes the pressure of the coil current. The result in the small of the error and therefore, depending on the load connection, we choose the proper connection to minimize the measurement error. And the last of my slide is errors due to odd meter connection. Minimize connection error. First of all, PC connect to point A for a low current high and the second of the voltage loads. And the PC connect to point B for high current low voltage loads. Fixed coils, current coils, there are two fixed coils around of the opposite direction. Main current coil carries total current IL plus IP and the first of the compensating coil carries only pressure coil current because they are oppositely would be that IP. They are magnetic of the effect opposite each other and the moving coil voltage and the pressure coil has because of high resistance and the carries small of current IP to make the PC current circuit as the more resistive as the possible so that the current is the PC is the practically in the phase the voltage is the measurement. Thank you. That's all from my side.